Ladies and gentlemen, Bonlo's Stool has a co-relationship with traditional Chinese medicine. For example, cat stuffed coffee has a more variation. Believe it is derived from the excrement produced by the prejudice ingesting coffee bells. However, the project regarding Bonlo's failed in models retrain the medical science has only scratched in the research between the one's hotbed and the assistant in derived, and I hope that modern medical hierarchy can lead from traditional Chinese medicine physicians to try to treat the children new congress, namely pneumonia, what is another ulcers. Believe student the ionization of cliff and assist from difficult way to treat virus. Thank you very much.